All right, boys and girls, this is lesson 2-5, estimating differences. So estimating, we have to remember that when we estimate, we always round first. Round first. Difference tells us to subtract. So I'm going to put a little subtraction sign in parentheses right there, okay? Round to the nearest 10. So we're using the balloon method still in this lesson. And we're rounding to the nearest 10, so the digit in the tens place, in my two numbers, I have 149, ones, tens, hundreds, and then I have 87, ones, tens. The digit inside the balloon will be 8 here. Next door is a 7. So if I'm holding on to the string of a balloon and I let go of 7 fingers, well, I'm only holding the balloon with 5 fingers. If we pretend we have an imaginary balloon here and I'm holding the string, I'm only holding it with 5. So once I reach a number at the string that is 5 or more, I'm going to let go of that balloon and the balloon's going to go up to the next digit, which would be 9. And everything after the balloon becomes 0. So now 87 is 90 rounded to the nearest 10. 149, 4 goes inside the balloon, 9 is next door. Again, 9 is at the string. It is bigger than 5. Again, if it's 5 or more, we're going to let go of that balloon and it goes up. So 4 goes up plus 1 to 5. 9 becomes 0 because everything after the balloon becomes 0, but everything in front of the balloon stays the same. So now I have 150 minus 90, and I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my numbers over here. Nice and neat. We are subtracting, not adding. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 9, we cannot do that. More on the floor means we have to go next door and get 10 more. So 5 goes to its neighbor in the hundreds place and borrows a hundreds block. Okay. So 5 now takes that hundreds block back to his house, which is in the tens place. And he takes this hundreds block and he breaks it into lucky number 10 rods because a hundreds block is made up of 10 rods. 10 of these hot glued together. If I take 10 of them, hot glue them together, I get a hundreds block. So 10 rods plus the 5 that he already had makes 15. So now there's 15 there. 15 minus 9. Well, we could stick 9 in our head and count up until we get to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 6. So our answer is 60. So all we did here was we rounded and then we subtracted. Estimating differences. Round first, then subtract. Now we're rounding to the nearest hundred, so my digit in the hundreds place will go inside the balloon. I have my ones, tens, hundreds place, so the 2 is going to go inside the balloon. Next door is the 1 at the string. Ones, tens, hundreds, 4 is going to go in the balloon. Next door is the 6 at the string. And let's work out this first one. Let's round this first one first. So 461. 6 is at the string. That's 5 or more, right? We let go of the balloon, so we're going to let go of this balloon, and the 4 is going to go up to 5. And everything after the balloon becomes 0. So now we have 500 minus 2 is in the balloon, 1 is at the string. Again, if we're holding on to the string, we let go of 1 finger. We're still holding on to that balloon. So 2 stays the same, and everything after it becomes 0. So now my new sentence is 500 minus 200. Bring down my 2 zeros. 5 minus 2 is 3. So my answer is 300.